Hi, what's up? How are you? So today I'm already baking and I look like a clown, which is perfect for today's video because I'm gonna be transforming to the Joker. I'm probably the last person on earth to try the James Charles palette, thanks to my boyfriend that just bought it for me. This is obviously the mini size because the large one was so big, and I think that's one of the reasons why I never got it, because I have so many palettes and I was like, am I really gonna reach for a palette that's like bigger than my face? So I just decided on, nah, I'm not. I always hear amazing things about it, so it made me sad. I felt like a little left out, you know, that I didn't have it. Today we're gonna be trying the mini. How cool is that? Obviously I have my base done. I don't have white face paint or anything like that. I'm kind of gonna do like an easy Joker look, obviously from the new movie, so like no purple colors. We're just gonna stick to the blue and the red. But yeah, this is like a really chill Joker. I'm not gonna be doing like my eyebrows up here or anything like that. This is like a last minute costume idea. If you guys really don't have anything to wear, you just want to do like really cool makeup, you can put on like, I don't know, a suit from Goodwill, some Joker makeup, and call it a day. So let's get into it. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm gonna start off with is my brows, because they're gonna be red. I don't like that the names aren't on the palette because that just makes it kind of confusing. I'm gonna use Rusted and You're Kidding, which are like the two reddish shades for my eyebrows, and probably this too. This is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Santa Sangre, which is also going to be on my lips as well. Let's do our brows. Also, I put green hair paint wax in my hair, and it doesn't even really, like, can you guys even tell that I did that? Because that took a minute and I feel like you can't even see it. I'm going to apply some more when it's a little bit drier. I usually buy it from this brand on Instagram. I think their at name is just hair paint wax on Instagram, and I know that they take a while to get shipped to me, like a week, and I wanted to do this look obviously before Halloween, and I decided to go on Amazon and get some green hair paint wax on Amazon, and it was like $5 more than hair paint wax price, and it doesn't even work from what I can see. So I'm a little bit sad right now. It just looks like my eyebrows are like bleeding. Like my hair follicles are bleeding. And it's a little bit frightening. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to use a liquid lipstick in my brows so that it really shows up, but I'm just gonna use this as an outline. I'm gonna have to wipe off my bake because it is so dry. It almost feels like it's about to crack. My skin's about to crack off. So that's not healthy. Okay, so I look pretty white. That's good for not having any face paint. So I'm gonna take this liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna put it on my hand kind of messily and apply that to my eyebrow. Little angled brush here. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Blue Moon palette and I'm going to take the shade Starry Eyed, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. Kind of not trying to be super precise, but I still want this to look pretty. Even though we're the Joker and we don't care how we do our makeup, we just do it because we have to, because we're clowns. We're trying to be kind of like a glam Joker. I want to have a defined crease color. And this is a Morphe M441. If you were wondering, I really like this brush. And I'm also going to put that in the crease. deepening the blue. If you get fallout, that's even better, because we're trying to make this look really messy anyway, so don't even worry about it. Also taking this shade, Clued in my crease as well. Okay, so now that you have that messy eye, I'm gonna take this Dose of Colors Friendcation palette in collaboration with Desi and Katie. So pretty. And I'm gonna take the shade A Moment, and I'm just gonna take that with my finger. Look at that. And I'm gonna place it on the center of my lid. After that, I'm also gonna take the shade Lumi with my pinky, because I don't want to mess up that whitish color in the pan, and I'm gonna layer that on top. I'm gonna do a wing, and then obviously do the other eye, and then I'll be right back. I still have some left on my finger. I haven't done my wing yet, but I want to kind of put it underneath right now so I don't waste any product. Just very, very messily, and kind of drag it down before we actually map out like our little triangles that we're gonna do under our eyes. Look at how pigmented that is. Holy gaga. I just realized we're using like all the same products that I did in my Ice Clean look, but anyway, this look has blue in it too, so I gotta do it. I'm gonna take the Milani Hypnotic Lights Holographic Eye Topper in the color Prismatic Light. Same one that I used in the other tutorial. I'm gonna do like the little triangle thing right now underneath my eye. So I'm gonna take a brush like this, pretty thick, not too precise, and then I'll go in with a more precise brush afterwards. Just kind of making that triangle shape. Okay, so right now I just outlined the little triangles with this liquid lipstick from Sephora. It's in the shade 104 with an angled brush, and I'm just trying to perfect it now, and I'm gonna fill the middle in with some more of that Milani glitter. I can't take myself seriously. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the ones on the eyebrow. Just gonna kind of sketch it. Going in with the liquid lipstick and just outlining that so it could be a bit darker and easier to color in. Just gonna color that in with the same Milani glittery stuff. So now I'm gonna do the nose. I'm gonna take the Kat Von D lip liner in Outlaw, and I'm gonna color it in with the liquid lipstick. Okay, so I just put on mascara. I would recommend wearing false lashes with this look, but I don't have any with me right now. So I'm gonna take some of Lumi and put that in my inner corner with a bigger brush. And I'm gonna take Lumi and put that on my cheeks too. Don't know if that's a smart idea, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So we're basically done. We're just gonna do the lip now, which makes me pretty nervous, not gonna lie. I'm gonna use the same lip liner as we did before and just line them like I normally would. And I'm just gonna put the lipstick on in Santa Sangre. I'm gonna take this angled brush that we used for our eyebrows. Sort of connect the bottom. Everyday makeup tutorial good enough. I'm gonna try to fill in the sides a little bit better and then I'll be right back. So, woo! I just put more hair paint wax in my hair so that you can see the green better, but I'm gonna have to wash it like right away because it feels like cement, but it's gonna make for a pretty cool picture. Also, I just, like, before I end today's video, I just wanted to show you guys some of the people that kind of inspired me to create this look on Instagram. One of them, her name is Francesca Lynn, and she created this look. Like, it's so nice. Hers is a little bit messier, so I wanted to change things up and make it a little bit more structured this time. And she also did the brows on top, like in her forehead area, but she really inspired me, so I just wanted to give her some credit. I'll have her Instagram linked down below if you guys want to see any of her other looks, because she's really talented. Also, there's this other girl, her name is Spooky Gal on Instagram, and she's so talented. I also got the idea from her. So I'm gonna leave her Instagram down below as well. If you don't have anything to wear this Halloween, I would definitely suggest doing this makeup. It's super quick, and I scared some people right now, so I'm pretty sure it has a good effect. The same effect as a full-on costume would, just, you know, on your face. But I would suggest going to Goodwill and getting like a suit or something, because that would just make it look awesome. Or maybe like wear a really big suit jacket as like a dress. That would be really cool with some heels, like a sexy Joker. Anyway, if you guys have any more Halloween costume makeup ideas, please let me know down in the comments, because this has been really fun. It's like my first time doing any Halloween style makeup, so I'm really enjoying it. I was thinking of doing Beetlejuice. Since I have the green hair, I might as well do another character with green hair, so let me know if you want to see that. See you guys very soon. Bye.